Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to show right to left controls Google Sheets on computer. So how to show right to left controls Google Sheets on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display on Google Sheets. Just point the cursor at the top left of the screen. There are many choices. Tap this three-line icon. Here a scrolling menu will appear like this. Tap the Settings menu. Now here it is in the Settings menu. And there are several menu options. Tap on the right side of the text Always Show Right to Left Controls. When finished, tap OK. The function of activating this feature is to display a button to set the text direction, allowing users to change the format from left to right, LTR, or right to left, RTL. So that's it, the tutorial how to show right to left controls Google Sheets on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.